everybody, Ben here, and today we're going to be checking out the Fender Squire Thinline Telecaster. This guitar is really cool. It's a mahogany body with a maple neck and fretboard. Also, it is routed out here, and that just makes it a little bit lighter, and it also makes it a little bit louder acoustically. But yeah, other than that, it's a straight up Telecaster. It's got your lipstick pickup here and your single coil in the bridge. Three-way selector, volume, and tone. So I'm just going to go through all the pickups so you can hear what they sound like. Here it is clean through the Boss GT100. Here it is through a crunch channel. And here it is through a high gain lead tone. So that's it, folks. Thank you so much for checking out the video today. If you enjoyed the content, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends. And if you're ever in the area, come check us out in Old Town Manassas. Again, thank you very much. Have a great day.